Hello guys, welcome to all of you. This is Brajendra Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel PS Career. Guys, in this tutorial we learn add relations and display and delete relations. So first we select the sketch. Now we create a line. You can see that no one relations on this sketch on a line. So we can display and select the line or entity as not relation apply on this. So we add it. You can select these options and select the entity, and here is the constraint applied options. So we can, if you want to make it horizontal or a vertical. Okay, first we delete this and vertical and delete. If you want to fix it, can fix it. Okay, vertical and okay, this line is fixed. Though we are increasing and decreasing the length of a line, but we are not move this because the fixed constraint apply on this. First we delete this, and how we delete it, we can select this and select our entity. You can show the constraint apply on the line. So first is vertical. If you want to move from this side to this side line, so first we delete this, and if you want to vertical constraint, then select this and delete the constraint. Now we apply on the second. Now we create a roughly sketch. Okay, we make a line from this point to this point. You can see that no one constraint apply on this. So we add a constraint on it, add, and select this. We make it horizontal. Okay, and now we select add. If we want to vertical constraint, okay, and this line, and we add, this is a horizontal, and again select this, add constraint on this, add the relations, this is vertical. Okay, you can show the constraint on the screen if you want to see by this, and select the entity. Here we select the constraint. Okay, when we select this, you can change the color to identify the constraint. Okay, you want to anyone delete it, select this anyone and delete. Okay, you want to suppress it, you can easy to suppress, Control Z press. Okay, now we fully define the sketch. Select this, and now apply a make constraint. Okay, and we apply a dimensional constraint. This is 40. Okay, this is 40. Okay, this is by default vertical and horizontal. If you want to delete, you can delete it, easy to. So first escape and delete, and you can add the dimension constraint. Okay, and sketch is fully defined. Now we want to see again our relations on it, then we can click here and show the relations, add on this trigger. Okay, if you want to delete anyone, you can select and delete, and we can Control Z. Okay, now our last option is fully defined. Now we create a sketch, just like this. If you want to fully define this sketch, you can check it and select the entity and calculate. If you want to calculate it, you can just check it. Okay, it create automatically dimensioning and constraint on your sketch. Okay, you can, if you want to add something, you can easy to add. Okay, if you want to change something just like this, you can delete the constraint by this method or by manually by selecting your constraint. Okay, now our tutorial is completed. So thank you guys.